Hey, what's up? What it is? Dude, it's Blue. Hey, check it out, bro. It's time for a Topps Holiday Mega Box. It's getting close to Christmas. The days are counting down, bro, so I gotta break a box of the Holiday Mega Box. Yo, let me know what you guys thought about the last break, dude. Hitting the Hadido. Topps Chrome. 1 of 5. And the Yamamoto Refractor, bro. Yeah, dude. I looked on eBay. Well, I looked around. Some people are trying to sell these things for like a couple $100. Dude, I do not know what that... I don't know what those are going for. Because there's only freaking 5 of them. And I got 1 of them, bro. We did it, you guys. I'm so proud of you guys. Being part of this awesomeness. All right, we got to say a prayer. One time to the card god. I'm wearing red. Let's go. We want something freaking rare and sick. We want a 1-of-1 of Paul Skeens, if there even is a 1-of-1 of Paul Skeens in here. Hey, Paul Skeens, let me know. Are you in here? We know Bobby Witt Jr. is, because he's wearing Santa Claus, bro. All right, let's go. Just remember, it's not empty. I got to open it even more. Ooh, there we go. Oh, I forgot. We got the Christmas card. Are you guys ready for the Christmas card? It is Jackson Chourio. Man, I think we already got this card. Oh, remember, I'll have to look. It's a rookie. Jackson Chourio rookie. Got the beeper up there. We're going to put Jackson Chourio right underneath our Leprechaun. Okay. There's the pack and the empty box. Don't forget to recycle, you guys. Very important for the future generation of card breakers, yo. If we didn't have any more, if we didn't recycle that, they wouldn't be able to make any more baseball cards. I can't remember if these packs smell good or not. Oh, bro, we got Ohtani. Oh, I don't care what it smells like, bro. We got Ohtani. Yes, sir. Nice. You can't really ask for more than a H1. So that must be card number 1. Card number 1 is Ohtani. Nice. All right. We got Max. We got Devin. He's like, yeah. Whoa, what's this dude got going on? Is there something on his... Oh, I thought there was something on his noggin. Dude, that sock just tripped him and he's falling. That's crazy, bro. Wouldn't that suck getting tripped up by a Christmas sock? And we got Corey Seager for the gray sparkly card. It looks like somebody bedazzled it. Y'all remember the bedazzler? Yeah, it shows how old I am, right? We got Jeff McNeil. Julio Rodriguez. Curtis Mead, rookie. Owen White, rookie. And Randy. All right. pack 1. Here comes pack number 2. Ready or not? Yeah, dude, we got some good boxes to break here in the coming up days. It's going to be fun. And then I'm going to be like, oh man, I ran out of boxes to break. Jeez. Now these packs are hardcore, bro. Cody Bellinger. And I can hear... Weird, I could hear something flying around here. We got Uwasawa, rookie. Dude, we got Jackson Holiday, rookie. Holiday style Holiday. Nice. We have to put Jackson Holiday to the side. Okay, we got Zach Gallen. Oh, he's got the Christmas hat on, you guys. Tyron Buxton Christmas hat style. Nice. We're going to save that one. We got Manny Machado. One time to the card gods. Emerson, rookie. Lewis. Juan Soto. Or Soto, I mean. And Bryce Harper. Dude, you guys see how much Soto they freaking traded him or something? He got like $1 bajillion. Man, I wish I got $1 bajillion. Dude, I bought a lotto ticket and freaking lost. It was like 600 and something million. Okay, we got Nolan, rookie. Jose Ramirez. Riley Green. Jordan Alvarez. Will Smith. Not the Will Smith, but a Will Smith. Kettle. Sparkly Bedazzle card. And we got a rookie of Jared Blake. Wilson Contreras. And Jack Leader, rookie. Next pack. Come on, fire. We got Sal Frelick, rookie. And Magawa, rookie again. Gunnar Henderson, rookie. Yeah, put him with Holiday, bro. Jordan Westberg, rookie. AJ, rookie. Dude! We got the Holiday short print of the manga. Nice. Short print rookie. I like the sound of that, bro. Then we got Trey. Dude, these are like all rookies. Trey, rookie. Oh, I got to say that, and then Vladdy shows up. I'm not a rookie. No, you're not, sir. We got Henry, rookie. And Zach. Okay, next pack. Hey, I saw Herb got his cards, and yo, Karen Wu got her cards in the Philippines. What's up, Karen? It was really cool, dude. She showed me a picture of all the cards displayed out. It's really cool. Thanks, Karen. Love you, Karen. Then we got Tyler. We got Adley. Hurston, rookie. Slade, rookie. What's he doing, bro? Dude, he almost looks like Dirty Harry a little bit. We got Zach. Dude, there's the card stuck. There we go. Christian Walker. That's a really wide walk stance, bro. Is that a banana in his hand? Oh, it's a glove. It almost looks like a banana. We got Austin Wells, Rent-A-Copper rookie. Francisco Alvarez. Eduardo. And Trey Turner with the bubble gum, bubble yum. Man, I'm like, where's our relic, bro? We are destined to hit a relic. Parker Meadows, rookie. Justin Verlander. Freddie Freeman. Christian Yelich. Christian Encarnacion Stancio. Something like that. Rookie. Okay, we got Matt Olson. Sparkly Bedazzler. Nolan. Dude, we got Junior Caminero, rookie. That one's going off to the side. Marcus. And Spencer, rookie. Dude, we got 4 packs left. I'm trying to go through these faster. Prelander? Well, that's a weird name, bro. Rookie. Weiler. Abreu, rookie. Matt Olson. Dude with the big stance. Dude frickin' hopping. Kettle hopper. Oh, we got a blue. Dude, and we got a Paul Skeens rookie. What's up, Paul Skeens? What up, bro? Holla back at your boy, Paul Skeens. We got Jonathan, rookie. JT. And Brent. I don't think any of those look like they were short prints. Always got to look on the back to see if they're the 141s, just like those are 141s. Weird that I remember this, right? And the blue card is, it's a blue Joey. Rookie. Bedazzled. Sparkler, bro. It says right there, I saw it say no minor. That means it's not R. Kelly. You're like, that's totally inappropriate. Man, I don't see it in here either. Oh, let's go. Thanks, Nico. We got a Nico. Nolan Jones. Spencer. Joey, rookie. And we got a gray of Paul Goldschmidt. Anthony Rizzo and the Hizzow. We got Edwin. Sandy. Jordan Hicks. That's a chain, bro. Part of the chain gang. And Sonny Gray. It's only 2 packs left. One of them, the one on the bottom's the one with it. I could feel it. I could sense it, bro. Mookie Betts. Dude, that's like all base. Mookie Betts. Bryce. Connor, rookie. Andrew. Looking at the stars. Whoa, we got a Christmas hat card of Henry Davis Jr. Or, what? You're like, there's no junior, bro. Hey, sometimes it just happens, bro. We're just gonna call him the Babe. Rookie. David rookie. Jared rookie. Nick and Lawrence Butler rookie. Okay, you guys ready for the relic? Let's bring the heat, baby. Ooh, we're racking in 15 minutes. Man, we're doing great. Oh, it's got to be here. Yep, packs smelt like there was a card in here. Gonna have to maneuver those around the back. Brian Woo. Woo. Rookie. Lars. Wyatt Langford, rookie. Francisco Lindor, Truffle. Emmanuel, he's like, I'm not a Truffle, bro. Chris Bryant. Ronald Blanco. And the card is, oh, a Manny Machado game used memorabilia. And that's not a scuffed edge. That's just part of that color coming through right there. So we got Manny Machado. All right, that's today's break of Christmas. There's way better breaks gonna happen. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other. Peace.